For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma's upcoming film Climax, starring adult movie star Mia Malkova, is ready for release. The director announced on Twitter that the film will be available for viewing on the digital format on June 6th at 9 p.m. RGB has launched its own streaming platform and will be charging 100 rupees per view. The film is said to be a thriller in the backdrop of a desert. Actor Sonu Sood's initiatives to help stranded migrant workers reach their homes during the lockdown have earned him applause from all over the country. Interestingly, a woman who sought help from the actor has named her child after him. The actor has revealed that the family of the woman called him and said that she has named the baby Sonu Sood Srivastav. Filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus Bahubali, The Conclusion, has become popular in Russia. The Russian embassy in India shared a video clip of the film on their official Twitter account and captioned it, "Indian cinema gains popularity in Russia. Look what Russian TV is broadcasting right now. The Bahubali with Russian voiceover." The tweet received a lot of response from the Indian and the Russian embassy and even replied to some of the questions posed at them. The Russian embassy revealed that both parts were well received in their country. One of them wanted to know if the songs would also be dubbed the Russian language, to which the embassy replied that they would only play the subtitles when the songs are played. Actor Bhumi Padnekar called Amitabh Bachchan a baller in the comments section on one of his Instagram posts. However, Big B did not understand the meaning of baller and replied to the comment asking for the meaning of baller. Netizens wasted no time in answering his question. Soon, people posted the meaning of baller, which is actually someone or something skillful or excellent. Filmmaker Boney Kapoor has revealed that he had to ask the crew of Maidan to dismantle a 16-acre set that was erected for his upcoming film Maidan, starring Ajay Devgan, due to the lockdown. Boney has said that the crew will take at least 2 months to erect the set once again, and the film's shooting might resume in November. It has been reported that Manmohan Desai, who directed the blockbuster hit film Amar Akbar Anthony, believed that the movie was a hit by fluke. If Amitabh Bachchan is anything to go by, then Amar Akbar Anthony earned 7.25 crores 43 years ago. Filmmaker Mani Ratnam has said that stars and technicians will have to reduce their remuneration to reduce the production cost of films in order to keep the film industry afloat. Twinkle Khanna took to Twitter and said that her husband and actor Akshay Kumar will not be a part of her next production venture. Harry Potter fans are surprised to discover a secret sex scene found during the ending credits of the Prisoner of Azkaban film. The sexy moment is hidden in the credits of the film. The names of all the cast members are set against a backdrop of the Marauders map, which shows hundreds of footsteps walking around Hogwarts Castle. Footprints show 2 people can be seen in a suggestive position. Russ Wetherill, the main in charge of the sequence, has revealed that it's just a few feet of students hiding in there and nothing else.